Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're looking at some coins that I am dabbling with and buying into in July 2025, which is basically right now at the time I'm making this video. So yeah, I think it's safe to say the market is slowly picking up again. We're looking all right, $3.34 trillion market cap, consolidating really well at the moment. I personally don't think we'll see any big moves to the upside, like really frantic big moves until sort of later this year, sort of September, October. But right now we're still in a pretty good place. Now I know 90% of you will not make this video till the end, but I do want to talk about 4 coins in this video that I am bullish on right now and I have bought into and stacked a little bit more just in case we get the alt season come our way, right? So first coin, Aave right here. Borrowing and lending protocol, massive total value locked in this ecosystem with a $4.27 billion market capital. We can see that price is creeping up and it is slowly getting towards the previous all-time high, which was actually $6.72 billion. So we're not that far away. We're getting closer, and every day it feels like we're making good progress here in the market, and I really cannot wait to see what Aave might do. It's bounced off support at $250 recently, comfortably sitting above $250. Now what we want to see, of course, is a retest of this major resistance at $388, which is a long way away. When you think about it, it's still got to do a big percentile to get there. This is like 10%. This is like a good 44% move to the upside just to get to that resistance. But for sure, I think it's possible to see Aave or Aave tap into the $700, $800, $900 region, which is why I did decide to buy more in case we see the alt season arrive. Next up, we've got BTC, and you know what that is already. If you don't, then you should probably subscribe. But look, 107.9k here for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is another one that seriously just looks like it wants to fly. It looks like it absolutely wants to fly, given that it's just basically broken out of this beautiful descending triangle here. You can see it's consolidating now at 108.5k. It's still above the overall support threshold here, so we could seriously see some good upside. Most of us are targeting around $110,000 to $114,000 for the next breakout, and hopefully we can actually see $125,000 realized for Bitcoin soon. So as a result of seeing this, got to put Bitcoin in there in this video. Yes, it's not that fun. Yes, it's not that volatile, but add a bit of leverage, add a 5, 6, 7, 8x leverage there, and suddenly you've got the volatility of a meme coin, but you've got the fundamental value of Bitcoin, right? So it just makes sense. Don't trade memes, just trade ETH and Bitcoin with higher leverage. Then you get the same ROI, right? Potential. Now, what else can we look at here? A few more coins to look at. I do want to share these with you, but first of all, ladies and gentlemen, KSEX. Look, they're doing another 10% deposit bonus. This time it's lasting an entire month, so you've got 1 month to get basically 10% bonus rewards up for grabs. Do sign up to KSEX. Their link is down below if you are curious to do so and want to realize more gains, right? So very easy. Sign up, take a look down below at the link to KSEX, and this exchange is globally accessible. No KYC is needed. And folks, let me tell you one thing. This exchange is the lowest fees in the market. You're going to save so much money here. You're going to wish that you signed up sooner. Anyways, moving on to the next token, the one and only SOL, standing for Solana. Yes, Solana is one that I'm absolutely bullish on, and I still think we can return to $250 at some point this particular cycle. When? Well, that's always a question that is hard to answer. We don't know truly when these things happen, but Solana ETF occurred recently, and I think we'll see more things like that happen. You can see January 2025 was $260, and actually it's really holding well. Last time, let's just let this sink in. Last time Solana hit $250, it corrected all the way down to $8. There's a lot of bad things that happened, right? But it recovered from $8. It recovered fully. And now it hit $295. Actually, it came up to $295, and it bottomed out again at $80 in March. I can't actually believe the volatility again is striking. It's absolutely crazy. And yeah, it didn't come down near as low, but it's definitely found like a good place at like $100. So pretty interested to see where the next leg up is. It should be around $200. If we get there, we'll be very lucky. If not, we might even go higher. We might even see an all-time high here. All-time high, guys. For me, we're looking at about $310 price target to $367 price target. So, just do the maths. This tells you that we've got decent gains on our side, potentially a 2 to 3x. $10,000, 20k. $50,000, we'll go to 100k. Put 100,000, you got 200,000. Put 10 million, you got 20 million. You get the maths. Put $10, you get $20. So yeah. So this kind of tells you, doesn't it? Like you need to make big risks in these markets to realize and make those massive gains. Now, lastly, we've got another token that I want to talk about. I do want to also say, guys, get yourself in my Discord down below, where traders are making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars worth of gains every single day. Yeah, just check it out. Got all the alphas here for you. We've got all the interesting signals and insights that can help you make some big gains. Next token, guys, token 6900, 828 followers on X, the #1 Nasdaq sock supplier. Sock supplier. Okay, I don't know. 420 monsters deep, 0 grass touch, 6,900 BPM. So they're posting a bunch of memes, some really OG nostalgic games here. Does look interesting, actually, I will be honest. But this is the token here, token 6900. So it is a meme, it's an alt, but I've seen here on the website, it says the hard cap is 5 million USD. The start price is 0.0064. The end price is 0.007125. So that tells me there's like 15% potential gains here waiting for us once this coin goes live. That is absolutely insane, right? So we could see something great happen. So just peeking out the window. So yeah. You can see here, token 6900 has one more token than SPX 6900 because they're 1 times better. The total supply is 930,993,091 tokens. The hard gap is $5 million. So this is a coin that, of course, takes a real spin on SPX 6900, but it's its own version. You can check this coin out down below, do some research, connect your wallet, choose either one of these different DeFi wallets of your choice to convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into your desired amount of token 6900 coins. It will go live soon to token generation event where it hit exchanges where you can withdraw, buy, sell, or send your tokens wherever you wish. So yeah, guys, there's a few coins that we're looking at for this July so far. If you are also someone that wants to make more gains in this market, check out my Crypto Legend Patreon tier. There's only 5 slots available. This will give you spot trade signals, leverage signals, early alphas, education, insights, a free ebook, as well as our new indicator trend wave. And just to give you a sneak peek of that, it looks a bit like this here, where you can see you've got these cool kind of waves on the screen. Gives you easy to follow buy and sell signals. Of course, you've got it for Bitcoin as well, but look, I'll remove it without, with. And it does do really, really well, folks. We've made a lot of money using it. And of course, if you become a patron and you don't like it for whatever reason, we can happily refund you. So do check it out. Now, before you go, thanks for watching. Let me know what coin you would probably be most likely to get out of Aave, Bitcoin, Solana, or token 6900. And yeah, let me know down below what you want to see next on this channel. We'll see you soon. Peace.